This is the percentage calculator of change difference, which solves for percent change, percent difference, and related percentage calculations between two values. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation type with 4 options: percent change, percent difference, what percent is x of y, and what is x percent of y. For this demonstration, I'm using percent change. There are 2 input fields, original value v1 and new value v2. These represent your starting and ending values for the calculation. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for the original value v1 and 10 for the new value v2. After clicking Calculate, the results show 0.0%. The calculator displays the complete formula. Percent change equals 10 minus 10 divided by 10 times 100, which equals 0.00%. This makes sense because there's no change between the original and new values. If the new value were different from the original, you'd see the percentage increase or decrease. The formula always uses the original value as the denominator, making this the standard method for calculating percent change in engineering applications. This tool eliminates manual calculation errors when comparing measurements, costs, or performance metrics. Find the link in the description below.